In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set rules for notifications in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox feels noisy and you want alerts only for what matters, rules are your best friend. They automatically sort incoming mail, so you see important messages first and your notifications stay meaningful. Start by opening Outlook and clicking the settings gear icon in the top right corner. This opens a panel with lots of options. Look for the section related to mail, then choose Rules. This is where all your automation lives, and it's where you can fine-tune how messages flow into your inbox so your notifications reflect your priorities. Next, select Add New Rule. You'll be prompted to set things up step by step. Begin by naming the rule. Pick a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like VIP alerts, newsletters to folder, or project updates. A good name helps you understand at a glance what the rule is doing. Now add your conditions. Conditions tell Outlook which messages the rule should watch for. Common choices include from, subject contains, and similar filters. For example, you might use from to target emails sent by a specific person or team, or subject contains to capture messages that include words like invoice, urgent, or a project code. You can add more than one condition to narrow things down, which helps ensure your notifications only trigger for exactly the right emails. Think about the patterns in your inbox and set conditions that match how you work. After the conditions, choose the actions you want Outlook to take. This is where the magic happens. You can move matching messages to a folder so they're organized the moment they arrive. You can mark them as important to make sure they stand out, which can influence how you notice them in your inbox. You can also categorize them with a color or label, making it easier to scan and find them later. Combining actions can be powerful. For instance, move to a folder and categorize, so your inbox stays neat while key items remain visible. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new rule will start working immediately for incoming emails. As new messages arrive, they'll follow the path you defined, helping shape your notifications to highlight what matters most and minimize distractions. If the results aren't quite what you expected, you can return to the rules page at any time, adjust the conditions or actions, and save again. With a bit of fine-tuning, your inbox and notifications will feel calmer, faster, and far more focused.